And we're here at the Mega Mall, or the Fashion Mall atrium. And there's a bluey thing here displaying. There's a pop. Hail Mallrat! It's August 4, 2025 and we're here at the Mega Mall Mega Atrium. And I think this is the atrium, or the Fashion Mall atrium. And there's a bluey thing here displaying. There's a pop-up store as well. We'll check that out in a while. This thing is going to be running until August 15, I think. So yeah. Unfortunately, there's an entrance thing and I don't want to take trouble out to go in, so we'll just see what we can see from here. But yeah, Bluey. Wait, is this a Disney property? Maybe. There's a registration to enter the Bluey thing at Mega Playtime Mega Mall. There's merch in the back. There's a pop-up store. pop-up store. It's probably Toy King. They're marked as Toy Express, by the way, not Toy Kingdom. That's interesting, since this is still an SM thing. Hold up. Whoa. BLUEY Mega Playtime. And some backpacks. That's a pop-up store.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.